We are live. Just on time. Hello everyone. Welcome to the stream. As you can hear, my voice is a little bit damaged from being sick since the last stream basically. So I don't know how much energy I can bring up today. I will do my best to do some. Let me turn on the camera. Yeah, alive. That's basically what it would describe. So here, Supercluster Ray Marcher. Hey Sonic, thank for the sub. Hey TMK. Hey Dutch. Hey Ray. Hey, I did that. You've been a fan for a while, never been able to catch the stream. Nice. Welcome to the stream. We've been coding a lot recently, and now I had to do some mods. I think this mod we did last time. It's untested. I should be testing that today. I need the multimeter for that because I was coding on we stopped at programming the relay for the rendering tasks for the little MCUs, and I don't think I kept. Oh no, that's sad. Oh yeah, wait, I kept it here. This was rendered by the MCU, the bigger one, that now we want to forward individual pixels to the smaller MCUs, and we should have like 160 at the end. And there were a few issues that we were trying to investigate. Hey Basil. Hey Christian. Wait. I said hi to Christian, did I? Yes. I'm so sorry if you have headphones. I couldn't like stand up the whole weekend. I tell you, this hit me hard. This severe case of man flu. Hey Adam. So I did play Clune. At least it's not like bubbling out of my lung or anything like that. I had since Monday I could get up again, so I had a really heavy back pain because I can't lay down for such a long time from my nerdy working position where I sit all the time. My muscles, okay, I can tell you what the problem is. So if you're a nerd like me and you don't do like proper sports, like I have this back, it's very rounded, and that causes pain when I lay flat in bed. So I can't lay like really flat for more than a night, and I was laying flat for the whole weekend and had back pain. The back pain was worse. Butt action. Yeah. So the back pain was actually worse than the fatigue from the cold that I got. But it's a basic cold, I believe. I mean, I caught it when we had guests over the week before. The worst part is now Tony caught it as well from me. So she starts to be getting worse while I'm starting to getting better. I I hate it. I hope I will stay oh, paralyzing pain. Adam, I'm so sorry. Can't you do like yeah, sleep paralysis is alright. Yeah, I would need like a desk where I can raise it and stand while working. I think I had that at my former job and never used it. So I don't know. I mean, you need to sometimes you have the best justifications for buying stuff and then you never use it. So, Adam, can't you like? I mean, isn't there like a procedure where you can stiffen like two of extending next project now? I don't know. Maybe I will just buy it. I believe that's not, people don't watch my mechanical stuff. Whatever I do, the last project, making this table had 20,000 views. No, not again. All right, so we discovered that using yet now comes the funny part. Do you remember last time when we tried to solve the mystery of the 32-bit tool to program? I wasn't lazy, so I did the changes. So this is the MOSFET, no, the low side driver replacement. I saw that on, and here is the flash chip. Look at that cute little flash chip. It's on there. I didn't pre-program it because what else we got is the card that we ordered last time. So this is the cute card. It worked. It looks nice. Works nice. The device is recognized by the 32-bit PC that I got here. So let me show you. Yes, it's full size, but PCIe ×1, because this super old school 32-bit machine that we used before for our other PCI Express, it's still glowing. The LED is still glowing even though I detached it. Nice. Okay, now it's not glowing anymore. Anyways, it only has like this little PCI, and then you have like, what is this, AGP? I don't know what regular PCI? Yeah. So it has only like one slot, and we installed 32 bits on that because there's like a super old school Pentium CPU on that, and ouch, I cut myself, ouch. Anyways, maybe I can show the screen capture of that. I was able to start the tool. Now the full. Oh wait, do I have it on camera? I might have it on camera. Oh no. Yeah. Anyways, the tool started. Looks like all were PCIe, but 16 and the rest was 1X. No, I think it was PCI and one is PCI Express 1X. And no, the first one is AGP, I believe. Then we have PCI, and then the last one is PCI Express or something like it. Odd mix up, because the end of the slots wouldn't match up. So yeah, I believe the graphics card was AGP. Anyways, tool started actually. 32-bit worked, but it didn't detect like the card on the bus or whatever. It wouldn't list anything, and I wasn't able to program it. And what happened next? What happened next is I read the fucking manual, RTFM. Yeah. Let me show it. Where is it? I just need to find the stupid tool. Where is the driver? Okay, here is the driver. So here we go. I thought, oh well, it doesn't detect it. What do? We open the PDF, and then if you open the PDF, okay, blah 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 blah, gibberish, and then wait a minute, what is that? Huh? Did you see that? This is not the tool. Let me boot the mini PC that has the LED matrix in there with that chip. Huh? Are you confused? Do you see what I see in this image? You don't need to like simplified Chinese to be able to interpret what's displayed there. Ah, okay. I show you what I mean. Okay, that's still booting. Look more closely. One, two, three. What is that? That's still loading. Come on. Be faster. Mini PC. Guessing game? Yeah. Okay, so. Do you see that? Okay, you don't see it. I will show you. I will show you now. The Ice Manager. All right. Okay. So, can you properties, port settings. You used KiCad 6? Oh yeah, I used KiCad 6. I don't know, I updated I think last year or something from KiCad 6. Oh no, this one I didn't. This is like a mini PC. Do you see that? Yeah, you don't need the EEPROM. You can just switch it here in driver individually. So I just booted this PC. It kept the setting. It will only warn you that you need like to have that configuration with the internal PA. So buying, like looking for the right flash, buying stupid PCI Express expansion cards, doing all the stuff that we do, all this research could be solved by just looking in the PDF that's next to the tool. Where's the card? I just wanted to show the useless card that we own now here. Yeah, yeah, but this is like 1 times PCI Express. I wouldn't use that. I mean, you can use it as a long time storage or whatever. Or we can put our LED matrix in the main PC. Yeah, but all this shit, all for nothing. Yes, RTFM, that's what still 150 megabytes per second, yeah. I mean, we can put the... okay, there is one thing that I must say. I can put the supercluster in my main PC without removing an SSD. This way. At the end. But, yeah... Basically, I didn't test it yet. We could test that somehow today, but I don't think I will have the energy to go for very long today. So unfortunately, that stream might end in 2 hours. You can see my voice is not getting better when doing this. Anyways, can shut this down now. You can set it up in the driver and individually for each piece, for each system and for each port. If I would put it in the flash thingy, then it would be the default value. This way you could also like change the... Yeah, okay, shut down. Yeah, that's about that. I just wanted to be transparent about the mess up. I don't know why the tool is yeah, anyways. There is just some testing and so on. I don't know what else. You don't need anything. You don't the tool, you just need to... Yeah, come on, just close it. Shut down anyway. I'm using KiCats 8, by the way. If you're... Okay, Silla, hello. Alright, so... This was... This unfortunate... What is happening here? Where's my PC? Okay, here. Now back to the progress that I made. There wasn't much. I just found out that we can simply configure it like that. What I wanted to do is like... Oh yeah, supercluster is there a supercluster where is it? Is this the super? No, this is supercluster 2. Supercluster control. Where's the Visual Studio Code window? That's not the one. I have too many Visual Studios open. Supercluster raymarching, supercluster, and here we are. Okay, here. Marcher. Oh yeah, wait, and what I did here, super cluster control, yeah, that's that one here. That's yeah, that's was wipe coded. And what I can do, I can send, basically it reconnects to the, oh, it's disconnected. Why? Why is it disconnected? It should automatically connect when it's plugged in. I don't know. Let me reload. Yeah. Okay, it's connected now. And we can. So what we need to do to this little like to those things, we need to initialize them with a little ID, and or let's say an index, and each card will have like its own index range that starts at multiple of 16, because there are 16 MCUs on each of the cards. So if I want to like start off with 48, then it will send the command or the instruction over serial to do exactly that. And now what should have happened is basically for the MCUs to be programmed with the sequence of those individual IDs. But I didn't see that happen actually. So we have to review the code and fix that. So let me, are we here? Carry march, wait, barge or base. This is the right code even. Set index, yeah. So maybe what is happening, because we are using a pull up for this here, I just need the delay. You need just to trust me, because I'm a little bit already in this code. I will just try to. So we should see. It's programming in the MCUs. Let me upload that code. Hey Yumbo! And I set up the camera such that you can actually see what's happening there. That might be actually a cool view as well. So here is your promised view. No. Yeah. Here is the promised view. Where is control? Let's reload. Set index. Okay, it worked. You could see it was pulling up the individual LEDs. That's one indicator, but it didn't acknowledge anything. So usually I would expect the code to do the following. Wait, bus loop. So it should if we have get IO0. In that case, set MCU index. That would only like set it actually. Bus set index is the comment. Something's off because we don't see the blink here, and I think I uploaded the code. Code should be there. We can also do the following. We can do that and program. It's really hard to program them properly. I just need to disconnect it like that. So now I will try to upload the new code. Error, okay. So I press that and then I plug in. Ah shit, too late. Okay. We have like 3 seconds. Maybe we should use like 10 seconds before it starts, but 10 seconds is also too long. Boot loop. Okay, let's do 5 seconds. We have a little bit more time. Let's build it. But this time we need to shit. Too late. Too late. Too late. Ah, damn it. Okay. Okay. Hey, Kasper. Yeah, we are all sick here in Looney Land. Let's see if it's programmed. Do we have 5 seconds? I mean, you had the access to the same manual. You have the same starting point as I had. So, but I really appreciate that you what did you find out? You found out that it's a zip file. Yeah, you found that out. It's a self. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing. Doesn't blink. I don't see it blinking. What happens when I do it like that? It's strange. Hey! Me diode, thank you for the sub. Why does it Why doesn't it blink? We should be seeing some blink in the beginning after 5 seconds. There's one blink and then 5 seconds and then another blink. What's going on? Init peripherals? Wait, is this the issue? Init peripherals, init blink. This first blink wouldn't work. But wait. Okay, I try to upload. Nothing happens. It wouldn't because we get power from USB. So I remove that. Okay, that's only build, but it failed. Okay. Let me plug it in. Okay, I saw one blink. There was a blink. What next? What happens if I disable this? I want to see one blink, my friends. Blink. Don't see the blink. Blink twice. What's going on? Okay, we can blink twice. That's a good idea to test if it's even uploading. Sorry. Okay. Was it 2 times blink? It was 2 blinks, was it? Yeah, there is a 2 blinks. Huh? Okay, so this was the power from the link key. Now, here's the power. Maybe the LED pins are shorting or whatever. Wait. Why wouldn't that blink? Is it even running? It's running, okay. No. Huh. That's strange. It seems like it doesn't have a power, enough power or whatever. Let's see if it blinks. Nope. Huh? It's so odd. Okay, let's do it like that. Maybe it has some strange boot mode. Oh, there was the double blink. Now I plug it in. I hope there is no like strange boot mode or whatever on the bus. Oh. Okay. Let me set the index. Yeah. Still doesn't do anything. But the code should be updated, so set bus index. Sonic. What? Shout out was given to Sonic. All right. The MCUs are CH32V003. So this is the main procedure. We send bus packet. Maybe send bus packet doesn't work proper. Oh yeah, this thing. I need to check this wire if this gets, if that moves at all. Because I never tried that. Send the bus packet will be a bank address. Okay. Set MCU IO1. There is only one bus data. Do I have a? We can do it like that. I mean, if we have a counter, we don't need to make it strange. But it's worrying that we don't get the acknowledgement blink from the little MCUs. They seem not be working. Maybe we should give like a live sign, watchdog. Let's implement a watchdog for the little MCUs. And I also should be doing more than sleeping a microsecond here. Where is it? Clock delay microsecond. So we will be able to see something happening. Okay, let's do. This will be really odd. 1 second. It will take a while. Okay. Not utilize dedicated boot. Yeah. There is one thing that you can do. You can make it boot from the bootloader, but you had to do something really specific. I think you need to like set the option bytes or whatever. So that's really strange. But it also could have to do with something regarding the other IOs. I don't see a reason. Maybe something with the power. Stupid condition that but I have some caps on there. The power should be stable enough. A big LDO and some caps shouldn't draw that much power. Alright, so let me restart that and set index. Okay, now it's really slow, and we should see something happening here. So let me check if I can measure something on this line here. Oh, AC mode. Oh, nothing. Am I on the right side? All right. Yeah, that might be the issue. This here, change that. This doesn't make sense at all, G&D bank, but it's actually SHR. Yeah, I will remove it completely. Because I'm reusing the G&D bank and pin. I don't know why. Here we go. And this is CR. Okay. I'm just setting all because I thought I got the right one. So here we get KiCad 8. I thought I had the right pin. Checking PA8. But it's either not initialized or something else. Okay, I just go with that. Maybe I should have checked if it's initialized at all. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Damn it. Ah! Order. Order! Wait. It's bad practice, but function first, and then we can optimize later. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's trying to program. Okay, something's happening here. Okay, that works. But the MCUs are not booted. It seems the MCUs refuse to boot for some reason. Oh! I know the reason! I know the reason. The reason is easy, that's simple. Okay, peeps. The reason is it waits for 5 seconds. Or it does whatever. But we need to disable unlock D7 to disable the reset pin. We have still the reset pin on D7, and the other one initializes quickly, boots up. Wait, here. Blah blah init GPIO, and basically sets D7 of each of the MCUs to low, which is basically reset. Damn it. Oh no. How do I change this setting? Screen Avra. The stream schedule for this stream is to find the okay. Let me get this. Where are my notes? Okay. Let me move over here. Oh, you mean stream schedule, like when the stream is? The stream is always on Wednesday at 8 o'clock Central European time, summer time. So in winter it's 1 hour earlier. And then we have extra streams which are basically announced the day, like either on Friday or on Monday, depending on what's possible. And I usually set up the stream hours before on YouTube, and also put it in the schedule as a one-time stream on Twitch. So it should be visible there. There is no other, like, but Wednesday is a safe bet to see a stream. Yeah. But it's a good point, like, also to see what's on schedule for this stream. We had this. How do we? Is there a check mark? Like we need UTF-8 check mark. UTF check here. Oh, come on! Give me the check mark. Okay, here we go. Okay, we did CDC renderer. This worked. We have still the proof somewhere here. So this rendering was done on the MCU. Communicate with browser render tasks. Yeah, well, I think that was included in that. Proceed forward. Okay. Idle status of the. Oh yeah, not done. Not done that yet. Pull forward. Forward star sends to browser. Okay. Yes. But it's rarely any other days than Monday and Friday, because I have sports on Thursday. Tomorrow not, because it's a public holiday. But we had also streams on Saturday, I believe. But that is now, like, these months it's fully booked, like for family birthdays and whatever, or being sick. Okay. Changing speed of your art. I would do. Oh, oh yeah. Sorry. This is unfortunately I was sick. I hoped I would be able to stream on Friday and Monday, but I was so sick I couldn't walk basically. And now I'm feeling better. I'm on Monday. I was up again, but I was basically out of energy after 4 hours, and there was no way with my current voice and the bad cough that I still had on Monday. I was able to stream without blasting the headphone users' ears. Today it's okay again, I guess. But I had a nap in the middle of the day. A relay from browser to Dayquil. What is Dayquil? This stream is sponsored by Dayquil. It makes your day to quill. Quill. Here we go. Oh, Vicks. Vic Vaporub. In Germany, probably. What's the ingredient? Is Dayquil just ibuprofen? Acetaminophen, phenylephrine. It's probably not legal in Germany, or you need to get it over from doctors' recipe. I took a lot of ibuprofen because of my back pain, laying in bed all the time. Yeah, I don't know. I'm already getting better. My spouse might need that. Okay, we are on that here. Let's continue the task to unlock D7. Wagon loads. Thank you very much. All right. Hey Nishay. What's cooking? Yeah, I'm cooking because apparently reset isn't. No, that's all right. That's all right. We somehow pulling the reset. So let me check. Oh, come on. If read user byte 1, what does that mean? Why is it? Okay, but unlock D7, what was the change? No reset. OB standby. Go to definition. What is IWDG? Debugger? Oh, hardware? Reset event when entering standby mode. Your HDMI to VGA adapter died. Oh no! Wagonlots, you're using VGA? What? You call it Vaporub, yeah. Oh, okay. Power on selects. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is what we want. But I did the wrong things here. Software. OB standby, no reset. Wait, OB reset. No enable. OB start mode. What was the start mode here again? Oh yeah, user. But this is interesting because I might... Okay, how do we test? We don't want to wear down the flash. If option byte, which one is it? OBR reset stop. Okay. OBR shifted by 2. Let's just check it here. OB. How do I check it if it's already active or not? Oh, I'm sorry, Wagonlaws. Yeah, I had problems with internet as well because of the thunderstorm here. I don't know why it affected it, because it should be fiber. Maybe it was affecting the relay stations or whatever. Like our relay station here. Do I really need to open the stupid documents? Alright, let's do it. Where is the data now? The reference manual. Linked list? No. What? No, it's not linked list. This is the register or a structure that for the option bytes. User option bytes register start. Oh no, it's. I need to find it first. Where is it? Okay, so you. Oh yeah, Basil, you can help. You're knowledgeable. So it seems that reset pin is still on, and since we initialize this as the bus, the small MCUs won't boot when the big MCU is booting. So but that should be pulled up. Yeah, we need to disable it, and I don't want to wear down the flash by writing that every single time when I boot up. I just want to check it first. Yeah, so and I want to check basically before I try to write. I will do basically this reset, no OB reset. Basically that. I don't know if that works or not. So option byte. Reset disable. Should be alright. Okay, you know what? I just leave it and we see what happens. Because now we won't have reset then. And I leave that in. Unlock D7, disable stuff. Okay, let's do this. Alright. Yeah, you didn't miss a lot. AZ80. We just need to do this and then we will see. Okay. Now, let's see. Yes! Yes! It's booting now! It's booting now! Yes! Yeah! Too much ATP used. I'm not having any ATP anymore. Now we can check if we can wait, this is the wrong. Where's the browser window with the with our control room here? Let's set the index. Oh. Uh-oh. It's writing. Yeah, we need to reset. It's working. It's working. The control room is. It's working. I need to record this. It's working. It's working. Yes. All right. Okay. I will fix the code again, and then we can start over. Okay. Raw value, yes. Okay, here we go. No, what I commented out a part that we need to comment in again. Bus loop, programming phase. We don't need that programming phase anymore. Okay, but in the bus loop we need to check our address again here. Okay, let's remove this. And we have now 5 seconds to upload before the software interface is disabled. Okay, the one here is a little bit late, a late one. Okay, now let's see if we can program the cards. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now let's program the index. We start with this card, we start at index 0, so let's see how it does. Oh yeah, we need to reconnect. Here we go. Oh no. Everyone acknowledges it. Oh wait, they're acknowledge. What? No. Huh? That's no good. Okay. Now let's start the LED. Now okay. Let's see. Toggle LED 0. That does nothing. They all have like a different ID doesn't match. What? Do I need to reset them to have the ID correctly read, or what is going on? Let's wait. Okay. No. Awkward. Let me check something. What is FE is basically 254. No. 255 is oh. Nope. 254. 255. Doesn't. Why is it so late? Oh wait, of course there is also I need to update my timings on the other thing. We have so much debug code everywhere lurking around. What? What did we make twice? Oh, it doesn't show me the clip. What? Nice. All right. Let me fix. Okay, address 255 works. Address. If address. Is this correct even? Cool. Thanks, Christian. Is this even correct? If comment is not I don't understand this if. Okay. Okay, if it's bus index, it will continue. If it is the ID, it will continue, and if it is FF, it will continue. Okay, that makes sense. But we also need if not, then break. So this might be make more sense when writing the address, but this is not the code that I wanted to fix. I wanted to fix a different code. I wanted to change this delay back again to 1 microsecond. I hope it's 1 microsecond. Should we switch to 1 milliseconds? Just to be sure. Or you know what? I can still build in. Wait, that's all right. That's fast enough. All right, connect, set index. Let's try. Oh yeah, we need to update also the other code. So it won't blink when it's actually not writing the. Olifab, thanks for the follow. Here we go. Wait, what did I change? I changed this one. Okay, so let's upload that. Oh, phew. Yeah, we can. Oh, stainless steel. Okay, that will be interesting. Tell me what's the price that they give to you? Okay, we updated the code. It's seizure causing robot, yeah. No, it's not a seizure causing robot. It's we trying to use. This is like a. These are like MCU clusters, and we trying to run our raymarcher on those, and the communication between the browser, the main MCU, and those here needs to be managed. And what I'm trying to do is to set an individual address for each of those MCUs, and they're just blinking as an acknowledgement that they are present. What? Yeah, they didn't work, so that's why we left them out. There were supposed to be something that makes it simpler to basically program them, because I would be able to power on individual MCUs, but it didn't work. They were getting some stray currents from whatever, and then it just didn't work. We got hotspots and reverse currents and whatnot, and I just not cutting the ground anymore and supplying ground to all the MCUs at once, and now we have to deal with all the stuff that we have to deal with. Yeah, alright, set index. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, that doesn't work. We don't get an acknowledgement. So if not get IO0, wait a second. Yeah. But we had that. Why, what? That was reading high. What's going on? Why isn't it reading high anymore? It was reading high when we pulled it up. And here. You hope with some holes. Alright. Oh, a hook with some holes. I understood. I hope with some holes. Interesting. Alright. That's $26. Is actually affordable for stainless steel. Cool. This sounds good. Hey Myland, yeah, I was really bad at the weekend, but feeling good now. At least good enough to try fix that here. I don't know why we don't get a high on here. What am I missing? That worked before. That worked before. Oh, it even sets the LED when we flash it here, so we don't need to blink. And then it waits for I/O to go low again. Why is it not detecting it high? Do we need to ADC it? Damn it. Might be necessary. So I wouldn't wait. This is the wrong. Here, I don't even need that. I don't even need that IOA address. So that should be. I'm not sure why it's not detected. It stays on for long enough. Oh. Disconnected. Okay. Nope. Okay, toggling is instant now. But set index doesn't work, even though the LED is pulled up. It's below the threshold, I believe. It's below the threshold. Should we read ADC? How do we get ADC and wait, I just take the samples. Do I have ADC here somewhere? Can ADC sample and then just check if it's higher than a lower threshold for the pull up. Good night, Avra. I'm sorry it didn't work out the past days. Oh, we can check how to get a sample. I mean, I had some code for getting a single ADC value. I can find this. Okay, we don't need the tool anymore. So let me find my RISC-V code. That should be here. El Cheapo, Blink. Nah. Yeah, El Cheapo has it as well. Let me load that one. Oh, Nishai, good night. Or are you not going? You just, it's 1 a.m. Alright, now got it. Birds, pink, link. ADC in it. Oh, that's so complicated. I have a better version somewhere. Let me check. RISC-V. Wasn't El Cheapo. It was Megaplex. Here we go. Oh. That's another workspace. Aha. Okay, let's see, Megaplex. CPP doesn't exist. What the f... Where is it? Ah, well done, well done. Oh, it's loading. Oh, I used to. Oh, I should uninstall that. Pick Studio, what is it? Oh. Okay, there is init loads. Unlock ADC init. Okay, here we go. This is what I want. Sample ready. Okay. No, it's for the ray tracing, but it doesn't seem to like our uh, wait, wrong code here. Our get IO0 because of the way everything works now, it's improvised. I need like to pull up the LED here. I mean, I could also set it high. Come with the PC, yeah. I mean, I could do it like that. The LED, wait a second. I think I made it so the LED will never pull low. Wait. LED. Push pull. Oh, we should do init structure. Or floating. But this needs to go first, I think. Yeah. This would need to go first. Otherwise it might pull down while it's active. Open drain. If we do open drain mode, that should also work. Ha! I'm worried that I will short stuff. But actually we can try to use open drain mode or open collector or however you call it. Open drain in that case, okay. Oh, let's do open drain mode on the LED. If it's open drain, where is the current coming from? The LEDs shouldn't light up. That's alright. The open drain won't interfere in both cases. And we can do oh, on the other side we need to pull down though. Pull down. Or we do it like that. It either pulls down or it's open drain. No, I won't do it like that. in floating. I will leave it like that. We don't need to change that. I'm wondering if that's blinking, else is floating, LED is floating, so there is no pulling to ground except in the beginning when I set the structure. Okay, I need to fix that. When I float. Alright, bye bye. Yeah, that affects also how floating is doing. But floating wouldn't do anything if I change that. I think this order is important. I will change that. Okay, let me program that. Faster. Oh, didn't program it. Uh-oh. Oh, it's the wrong programmer here. Okay. That worked. Okay, I can make sure that we will now, when toggling the LED, we can pull it actually high in the other one here. MCU. BCR, and we change that GPIO MCU pins. We change that. Bit reset in its structure MCU pin, and this will be GPIO open drain. Okay, let's see if that changes anything. This will be able to pull the LED brighter. Let's keep that still. Yeah, let's keep that. Yeah. Okay, let's set the index. Oh. Didn't we program it? Wait. MCU bank. Come. Oh! Yeah, that's not working. Hey Ganya! This is not working because we overwritten that. This open drain mode. Oh wait, AF? And we need to change the mode here. Wait, this is... Oh, this is the wrong manual. Ah, but I think it's open drain. Wait. Should be the same bits in the register, I believe. Ah, what's the name? One. In output mode, it's 1 config 1. Yeah. Okay. So we are almost there. Oh, let's do 0, 1, I think, and 1, 1. Okay. So 0, 1 is 10 megahertz, 2 megahertz. Okay, drive strength 1, 0. We don't need that high drive strength if we use that pin. Okay, let's try again. And here we go. Oh, that doesn't do anything. Hey, I'm aboard. Yeah, struggling microcluster. Yeah, struggling to program it with the IDs actually. The things that worked before don't work. We fixed some issues already. Why is it that this doesn't work? I might need the other reference manual though. Let me check if I have it. Yes, I have it here. It says input mode, output mode, 1, 1. Oh. Christian. Thank you for the sub that you wow. Oh, why not worky? Why not worky? Uh-oh. Okay, let me check back. If it's something else. No. That worked. But open drain didn't work. Oh, I might need to activate alternate function first or something, because it says alternate function. But wait. Out, open drain. Why is this? You know what? I will check in the definition of where am I? I'm lost. Okay, this is the wrong one. Init GPIO. Oh yeah, here. Here. Fuck you. Still assigning to. Oh yeah, but that's an exception. That's a broadcast. That's why it's blinking. It ignores the ID in that case. So it doesn't properly work properly. And also 255 is by chance the default value in the option bytes of the flash. So I guess I would need like I it's like I could make it initialize it and pull it high, but yeah, I just want to need to check here what we are missing with this open drain. Mode pull up. pin mode. That's speed. General and alternate. Okay, we have that. That is the issue. Oh, how did I didn't see that? Ay, 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 ay. I'm so bad at reading. This is general. Open drain here. And this alternate function open drain. I have no clue. It's probably if the GPIO is used mainly for something else. Alright. Now it should work. It wasn't. Oh. We unplug it. It died. Did my USB die? That's M.2 connector, so it's even smaller. Oh, it failed. And what? Hello? I think I might have shorted things because now nothing works anymore. Is this one refusing to work? I hope it doesn't need a restart. Shit. Oh, wait. That smelled funny. It smelled funny? But how? What? USB doesn't work anymore. Hello? That would be a coincidence if it wouldn't work just all of a sudden. I mean, I had problems with the USB before. Maybe the LDO died. Let me check quickly. Let me check. Let me check if when I connect the other one has the power lines, the other link here has the power lines connected. Okay. No. Nothing gets hot. Eh? There is no fuse or anything, is there? No. Okay, let me check different cable. Let me use this cable instead. Don't tell me it's a cable. Nope. Wait. This doesn't power that up. Okay. How about I try to power it from, I don't know if I want to. Oh. strange. When I powered it from a power supply, that worked. Huh? Now it works again? It was in a strange state, it seems. Okay. Peeps. Let me plug in the card again and see what happens. Okay, seems to work. Need my this stupid cable goes away now. It wasn't probably the cable's fault, but now we will try to program the IDs, and once the IDs are programmed, we might be able. It's connected. Okay. Nope. Open drain mode doesn't work. What am I doing wrong? 2.3 general open drain output mode. Input mode, output mode. That looks alright though. Let's try again. Push, pull. Oh. Okay, that works. Oh, wait. Open drain is not drain is not pulling high. That's wrong. That's why it killed itself. Ah, okay, okay. I got it the wrong way. It's not pulling high. So what we actually need to do is we need to change the mode individually. Ah, fool. Okay. Oh, this will be cumbersome because I need to pull it high or float. Okay, let's do it like that. We can pull high here, but never low. So Oops. Well, let's do to keep it short. Okay, and this, and then or whatever we need to do here. We need to output mode, let's do 10, so be 1 0, and then we need general push pull output mode. Okay, here this is that. Yes. Okay, so this is general push pull mode. This is backup. And then also, oh yeah, we need to set see. Oh, I think we need to set all to 1. They need to be all 1 forever. And when they're initialized, they should be initialized as, not as this. It should be initialized as input mode, analog input, floating input mode 1. Almost there. I need to remake that. I maybe should have done analog input mode instead. Yeah, anyways. Analog input mode, no, floating point, pull, yeah, okay, here we go. That's initialized, and then switching to the wrong thing. Bus. Okay. And that was that part, else same, but in that case we are doing that. I hope that works. Without destroying anything here. Okay. And it died. Did it die? It's connected though. Yeah. Oh wait! You're right. Because... Okay, let's try again. Okay. Toggle LED doesn't work. At all. Doesn't work at all anymore. It feels like, is this even the right card that we entered here? Okay, let's reprogram it with our new firmware. That blinked though. Oh no. We don't want this to be changed. Push pull, yeah. But the SHR needs always to be set first. Okay. Okay. I think this was old code on there. This is the double slash. Okay, pips. Moment of truth. Double flash. Let me try to set the index. Oh no, wait. Connect. Then set the index. I have no clue if that works. Let's toggle LED. Okay. Let's try 0. Nope. It's not set. It didn't recognize it. Damn it. Why though? Never was the problem. Never was the problem. No, it's not ESP32. It's CH whatever 003. I'm wondering if we might be too fast with our sending data. It's receiving something, but 1 microsecond might be still too fast. Oh no, we are at 1 millisecond. It doesn't recognize anything. Okay. Right user wide. Okay, let me try again. So, bus index. Is it this again? Let me. Okay, I programmed the new code. I programmed the new code. Now it should accept without GPIO. If it is, let's see if it's the problem. Yes. Detecting high is the problem. It was never the other issues. It was always detecting if it's high or not. We should be able, since the last LED is 15, if they blink. No, they're not, don't blink. Yeah? Oh, wait, huh? Did it flash even? No, doesn't work. 0. Huh? Oh. Oh, it's disconnected. Why is it disconnected? Now it's connected, alright. Okay, toggle 15. Some have written 15. Look at that. Some have the ID 15. Some have the ID 14. None have the ID 13. So semi-successful. Failure is always an option, yeah. I think I need to rejuvenate my brain with some Kinderschokolade. Don't buy Kinderschokolade, get it bought for you, because it's too expensive, in my opinion. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. Mmm. Okay. Jumbo, you got a coffee? Mmm. I would totally take a coffee as well. My secret is that I have ADHD and coffee doesn't work with my brain. I can fall asleep after a coffee. What? Meter long sticks? Like like that? Wait. You roll one. Oh! Okay. Maybe the bug is in the sequence. We get okay, we get a comment. Hey 404, long time no see. They eat all the Kinder chocolate. There's nothing left. Alright. Ah, I'm so sweet now. Oh, which one did you make? Can I buy it? Oh, alright. Nice, nice. As you can see, I was also busy making a CH32VO3 board here. Well, it doesn't work. I don't know why, but this doesn't work. GPIO read input data bit should be detecting the current state. It's always working. GPIO. What did we initialize it to? Wait. No, it's always an input, huh? Oh, plenty. I believe. Wait, when the LED blink. Oh, come on. Here. Low as input mode. File 2, yeah. it's not detecting. I think this, we need to check if I messed up my sequence here in the main. Set bus index. Oh yeah, no, it was the last one. I was sick all the week. Okay, set bus index. I mean, that works. It sets MCU IO 0 to high. We saw that happening. Delay MS send bus packet. Why doesn't it detect it? There should be reading 1. Huh? This is certainly high. The LED lights up. If the LED lights up, and we did it before, so that's what I'm doing. The LED is lit. That's why it's so strange. Okay, let me change the code again. Okay. Okay. Oh, need to reconnect. Nope. Linky, I don't know. 10 bucks or something. Oh, yeah. I'll screen you. Okay, so you can see the LED is lit, but what am I doing wrong? Get IO 0. I mean, what I can do is basically in the R I can't debug. They are running in parallel. There is no way I can debug that. If I try to debug it, they will interfere. I don't know. First of all, the SWO pin is used for the bus, so it's turned off after 5 seconds after startup, and then they all share the same pin. Like, this is not on this board. I might like do it other way, but not here. Yeah, I do that. I do that already. Like here, set MCU index. That's what's happening. It stays on for 200 milliseconds and then waits until IO0 is off again. Oh, you mean that? Yeah, I see which address it is at the end. I mean, uh, it's like the LED that lights up. They're lighting up sequentially. So if you look at that, it's basically I know which address it should be in that case. The issue is now the LED lights up. That means there is current on that pin, but the the pin is not triggered. That's so strange. I don't know why. I mean, I used it before, so this never triggers. This is always zero. I don't know why. I try like not using the function, but I wouldn't think that makes a difference in that case. This is the same, probably the same code. Oh, too late. Okay. Change it slightly, but this won't work. It's really strange. I only need this to work for this functionality and nothing else. It's weird. Nope. Damn it. Doesn't work. It it meant to behave that if the LED lights up, it stays on for longer, which means it's written. It didn't write anything. There are still like the old IDs, I bet. So if I tell 15, it's like half of the LEDs will light up. Maybe they don't. Or are the option bytes overwritten? Seem to be overwritten. Alright. Don't see anything. 255. Yeah. Yeah. Option bytes overwritten. Why is this reading low? I used it before to write IDs. Okay, I bet I need. Okay, let's use ADC then. But this is annoying because I would need like to. Wait, here. This is ADC. Why is this here? ADC init. It just opened by default because I opened random C++ file and it was default for C++ files. It reads the command, but the pin should be high all the time. So awkward. I'm divided. Spongeman 255 is a broadcast address. It will ignore the ID. That's why, and by default also 255 is written when it's flashed. I shrunk, yeah. I really want to crack that code here. Oh no, bye bye. Nishai. Okay, I need to steal the code. Wait, ADC regular channel config. What is this? Is this even AFIO? I just copy some code, okay? Oh, here we go. Because that was at some point a working code. Yes, there's plenty left. Wait, I show you. Here. Yeah, that's the issue. Fun does a few things differently. I'm using the no SDK whatever, no sys whatever. This one shows the results. I had the issue that USB didn't work with fun. Yeah. Ah, okay. But why does it config? Oh, in configs like here. Interesting. Okay. won't even compile, so I just wrap it. Data align right in its ADC1 enable independence. I'm wondering if I can initialize and get a sample while it's in here. But get IO 0. That would be interesting. But I don't know why it's not high in that case. It should be high. There must be, I think I removed the old code. There was like a programming code that was basically doing exactly the same thing. And now it's not working here. I have the suspicion that that the sequence is different. I mean, I don't need to send a packet on the other side. I can just set it all at once. I should try that. Okay, I can close that trash here. I can try it in this, no, wait, here. I can do that. Not send bus packet. Set. Yeah, what's the thing called? The function. No. Set bus data. Okay, set bus data. Then we get base index plus I. And then bus set index. That's the address. We don't need that send packet here. We will do as follows. Let's wait for 200 for whatever reason, if it just takes time or whatever. Then wait maybe another 200 seconds when we set IO1. Want to know 0. Okay, let's do 1 second long, or 800 in that case. Let's see if there was something. Oh, yeah, whatever. If there's something wrong in my logic, but I couldn't see how because it's wrapped around. No, didn't write anything. Uh, why doesn't it read high? I don't get it. Did I destroy it by any chance? I might have destroyed it. If I wrecked the MCUs with that open drain mode that wasn't correct. Okay. But it wouldn't work beforehand, so let me disconnect that. Nah, it can't be the problem. It's something else. I will take another card this time again. Yeah, this one isn't programmed yet at all. Okay. No, it doesn't look like. Ah, it is. All right. It is probably tipping and whatnot. Camera is weird. No, it's actually tipping to the left. It didn't. Okay, it didn't write. That's a 0. No, didn't write anything. It's nothing to do with that. We don't get anything out of that. I don't know. Actually, I have no clue. No, that's all right. I mean, what else I could do is try to identify them by their unique ID, but this is terrible. I don't know the IDs. I would need like to scan through all the IDs. The range, I mean, it's not changing all the bytes. So if you yeah, let's do snipping here from that card. It would only read like one. So let's copy that. The difference if I like switch that up. Wait, let me remove that. Add this card. And then compare it only BC AB 7855 BC. Okay, that's like, yeah, they have close units, but I think like even the last byte doesn't change. So I would need like to scan through the IDs. Oh no. I want to know why it doesn't work. Why doesn't it detect that the pin is high? No, I don't have it. I could scan it. Like I can implement something where this was assembled by JLC, but I got them from AliExpress, from WCH directly. They have a shop on AliExpress, so I buy them like 50 at once. So I have like a few hundred here somewhere. Still, these are assembled by JLC, so. Oh, alright. Yeah, I get them from the official store. So, any ideas why this wouldn't work? I was sponsor for today's stream. I don't see a reason why it wouldn't work. Yeah, why wouldn't it work? It's like a 10-cent piece. I can show you. Here. Input data register. But we should see what issue there could be. Protective diet, alright. Then we have a read, input data register, this is that. Then we have alternate function input to on-chip peripheral, analog input to on-chip peripheral. This is the pull up, pull down. output driver. This should always work, no matter what we use down here and whatnot. You would be always able to read the current value. So why don't we get the current value read correctly? Am I somehow stupid? What did I miss? I don't know. It's strange. It looks like, huh? How would that happen? On-off switches? Which on-off switches? There is nothing in between. There is only the Schmidt trigger in between. Oh wait, on-off of the Schmidt trigger. How do you turn this on-off? Oh yeah, that doesn't matter. I mean, the pin is high because the LED is lit. So the LED is connected to this. When the LED lights up, that means that the voltage that the voltage is high enough that the LED is lit. So it should be the same voltage all the way here. Yeah, NMOS and PMOS. Tubes is probably a bad translation, huh? Tubes. Transistors and tubes seems to be same in Chinese. Alright. Oh, damn it. I don't see the issue. I don't see the problem. This one works. This wouldn't work. Schmidt trigger can't break. It's only an input device. There's no way of it to. Don't see a way that should break. No, why do I need to suffer like this? I would really need a little success once in a while. Peeps. Takes so long. I don't see a way. Okay, I see a way how to do it. You know what is the way to make it work? We can solder on individual. Okay, I will do it. So what we can do still is work anymore, and I solder individual wires to each of the GPIOs here and connect them to the individual GPIOs on the back here. So let me do that quick, and we can, I don't know. Ah! We can run it. This is the only way I see how I can fix that now, which is actually, I can do this in 10 minutes probably. Barf cam. Jump scare. Yeah, jump scare. Ah. To break one of these? How? What do you mean break? Here we go. Break. Usually not. Usually not, because you can power cycle them, so you can unbrick. There are ways to unbrick them. They listen to the programming pins during the startup for a few milliseconds, I believe, or something. You can mess around with that, but I don't do that. So I leave the programming pins on for 5 seconds on boot up right now, so I'm always able to yeah, so I try to wait. Oh, I found the right sized wire. I mean, I have plenty of wires, but this one looks nice. All right. We have severe rain outside, I believe. So rainy today. Alright, can clean up a little bit here. I want to remove those, but soldering stream, yes, we fixed that, and then I'm able just to turn on one of the GPIOs that just trigger the command. Yeah, well, I don't care anymore. Actually, I give up. This will be all right here. Oh, what was that? Someone followed? Thanks for the follow. Okay. Wait. I changed to ISO 400 so it's not so blown out. And we record a little bit because I need to remove that. Here. And then we will just solder the wire. I need to get my soldering iron really hot to get the enameled wire. Hello. Okay. I need some more flux, but this is very hot. So I don't want to. Yeah, to fix actually, because I messed up a little bit this board. I should have redesigned this programming board long time ago and assemble a new one while I had the chance. Now it would just take even longer. I should take my better clippers here. Or you know what? I just clipped them beforehand to some length. I need 16 anyways, and then I can solder at a reasonable heat. Alright. You release a video every week? No. I wish every month. I wish I could do every month, but projects got so complicated that I want to release like finished videos. The board is reworking. I guess like a month on that or longer. We started before the last video, which is already a month ago. Oh, the YouTube. Oh, it's 12th year or 11th year now. I don't know, something like that. Okay, 8 more. I need 16 in total. I think I will just bend it and then clip it. Alright. Fast forward. Yeah. Didn't it didn't age. It didn't age well when I said it's only like 10 minutes. Clipping those wires was already took so long. Okay, I will get the ends of the wires. We are. It wasn't 10 minutes yet. Okay. Try to get. I have no fingernails anymore. Today I clipped them because they were nasty. Hard to pick up anything now. Oh, that's smoking badly. Phew. Come on, suck it. Yeah. Is the coating poisonous? Really? TS80. I should have used my bigger one for rough stuff like that. Yeah, $100. But I think the other one was also, you can get cheaper ones. You don't need that one. This is already like some time ago, so probably there's cheaper options of similar quality. I would pick something that has many options, that takes like nice simple tips that you can easily get from China, like copy knockoffs from China, because the tips, if they're too hard to come by, then you won't have fun. The soldering tips for this one have the heating element included. As the benefit, it heats up faster, but the tips are also quite expensive. Yeah, I don't know where to get it that cheap. Almost done. 30. Yeah. That would be my first place to go. Why should it? Do you think Amazon is better quality? It's all the same stuff. Okay, now I can lower the temperature because the enameled things are off. So I do screen it. So you got some B quality. Or is it just something with specific to the iron? Oh, okay. Why didn't I remove the card? I guess I like it hard. Wait. Please don't quote me on that. The fuck? Ah! Damn it. Well then, I need space. Fuck off. Stupid stuff back here. And I need here space as well to see what I'm doing. Nah. I don't know. Too many tools, too many different parts that you need. And too lazy people. Yeah, because I cleaned it, I think, around Easter. So one doesn't look that great. Damage. That's good enough. What? Right at the moment, everything feels improvised here. Oh no, I don't. I'm really not into like buying a lot of stuff once I find something that works for me. You see how things work here. Okay, this wire needs to be redone, but we can use this edge. Dangling items at the end of that device are annoying. Oh, that's long time ago. Okay, now I will check for this, for the GPIOs that are connected for a, oh, they're completely random. Oh, right. I don't care, I will assign them later. Yeah, that was a really long time ago. Half a year. I think we did it on the laser stuff project. Was the last time. This is my last long female thing. So I. Nice. Congrats. should. It's like this is not hot enough. I go to 220. Not hot enough, at least for soldering pin headers. Yeah. I probably get them off eBay quicker next time here locally. Or I just get them off Reichelt. Sometimes I get like this, you get like gold plated, but this is like Chinesian gold. So I really appreciate better quality, especially when trying to solder those headers, as you can see. But these headers might also be quite old already. Okay, I need to get them off right now. Where's the flat solder bridge? Yeah, here. It's like, I think this is a mixture of different. Okay. Pre-tint. Now I will solder on the first 8, I believe, or should I start with the center first? Ah! I really don't want to stress it. That's cool. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah blah 8. Oh no! This one mold no what's no. Yeah, I get also plastic bags from Ali nowadays. I give up for the MCU to read at the LED pane. Just give up and use that. Who is it, by the way? I can't see the name as I am soldering here. Okay, first one. 1 of 16. Maybe I should also record it. Okay, second one. That It's getting hot in here. Ah, okay, here we go. Next one. Need more soda on that tip. Phew. Three more for this side. Two more. Ah, this one fell off already. I think I need to still has the coating. It's annoying. Okay. First side is done. Now this side. I don't want to pull off the linkies, but I might need to. Few thousand. I think it's stated in the data sheet, not in the. It might be in the data sheet or the reference manuals. I think I read like. They stated it that. It's not like something that you would go through quick. Yeah, you can try that. Oh, actually, that soda is way better. All right. No. Thankfully, I picked a big chip for the low side switch. So what? Not staying. For the reveal. I am almost done here. It looks gross though, with the gunk. Ah. 10 minutes? Okay. So I promise in 10 minutes we will see individual LEDs blinking. This huge thing fell off. Alright, okay. Hopefully, yes. Alright. I just need to solder on the ends to this header here. And then change a few lines of code, which is the smallest issue, and then we will be able to program individually. Since now when we program it using using this board, we can basically clock every single MCU individually, so it doesn't need to match like with between. I hope I have this right. Ah, it's hot. You can brush your teeth while I'm. That's the individual clock GPIOs for the 16 MCUs on the cards that plug in here. I hope I have the sequence right here. They will appear random at first because I need to, they are not sequential here, the GPIOs. But I I can sort it later. And all right. Oh, the first one fell off. Shit, the first one fell off again. Ah! That's the 208. Same chip family. I have some beds. I think it's $2 or something, 2.5. It has even Bluetooth, but I don't use that ever. I'm taking it only because it has plenty of GPIOs, and I like that. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Bloop. Haha. Okay, let's move over here. Set up the camera again. Boop. Low, lower, messier. Suyo GBT. Hello, what do you think about a device platform like this? Is this internet? Oh, yeah. I mean, that's like M5 stack, isn't it? Nah, it's genuine question. Looks like M5 stack. It's alright. I'm the last one who would ever judge someone for misspelling. Okay. Alright. I guess. Wait. D and A. It's D and A. Okay. Let's check and pass. Okay, so we don't need that. Index, set MCU index. Okay, we can do this. Alright, so let's program the little MCUs first. Ah, too late. Okay, it's programmed. Now we need to change the code. For the other stuff. Alright, no, here it is. So IO0 doesn't care anymore. Zero doesn't care anymore. But yeah, set MCU IO. And this is basically GND bank 16 GND bank bang bang bang. Here, wait, this is wrong. Is this D? Was it D? D. Yeah, it was D. Actually, it is D. All right. I think we can. Clock settings on these. Yes, STM32s, I believe, because you can. I mean, it's just an internal PLL, and you can set them to different clocks. But no, it's not like Raspberry Pi Pico, like you can set perfectly. There are only like a few presets that you can use. Not like a divider, multiplier. I'm not sure. I think that Pi Pico can set a precise clock. Yeah, that they don't do it. The only thing that I like is that they, yeah, the only thing that I like is that they don't need an external crystal. Probably. Okay, so it looks like this should just work. So we can try it. I think I'm done. Setting connected. Okay, set index. Oh no. Oh wait. Wait, wrong. I don't want to set all at once. I just want to set MCU bank. Wait, MCU IO. Yeah. Not all the IOs. Okay. We can record now because I think this might work now. Okay. It's connected. It's setting the individual indexes. Yes. All right. So this will be they get all now an individual address, and we can. Okay, this is. Oh wait, when I toggle. Oh. 255 only toggles one. Wait. Okay, the other command set blink address. Oh wait. Wait a second. Let's see. Oh yeah, I need to change that. Send packets. Okay, one thing I can address them individually. So let's take a 0 here. This is 0. Then we have 1. There is no 1. Okay. There is no 2. Yeah, the trigger doesn't work here. Okay. Send bus data. We should do bank and address. Okay. So I might need a different version of that here for that. Okay. Where is this coming from? That sets all the. So I will have this version, MCU bank, and then state it that sends it to one version with all the. Okay, wait, and send packet, because I need like an exception for broadcast. I didn't have the broadcast thing, or it just triggers the wrong one. Here we go. Let's try again. Connected. Okay. Okay. All. Now let's do 0. That's 0. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3. Haha, yes. Okay, I need to change the order, and then. Very good. All right. I'm so sorry that took so long today. But we can send packets to individual MCUs, and I could change the index. Okay, so set the index to starting from 16. I really would love to stream again on Friday. I need to check if there is a birthday or not that I need to attend, because I'm not sure on what day that is. So we will be doing the cluster for sure. I will be doing the cluster tomorrow morning. I can tell you that. Here, this is LED 16, 17. Here we go. Little success for today. I don't care anymore about the stupid GPIO 0 of the LED stuff, whatever. Look at that beauty. Isn't that cute? So nice. I toggle all the LEDs at once for you. Boink! Sarvex, thank you. Heart-shaped. Yeah, it did. Oh, damn it, that was hard. But the best part is I could put them now on this device here, and yeah, I go to sleep. Be surprised what's coming next stream, because I will work, certainly. And yeah. ASMR, soda ASMR. Yeah. I feel also relaxed now that it works, and it's almost 12. So, good night, everyone. Bye bye. Thank you for joining the stream, and I hope you are all not getting sick like I did. Bye bye.